Hello, beautiful souls. Adrian here from Astrology, a Look Inside. And today we're diving into a very special new moon. The new moon in Capricorn at 28 degrees and 43 minutes is happening on January 18th, 2026 at 11:52 a.m. Pacific. And this is not just any moon, this is a cosmic double whammy for structure, self-mastery, and self-level alignment. And for me, as a double Capricorn, Capricorn Sun is conjunct my ascendant. This is like the universe handing me the keys to my next level. And I want to help you grab yours too. So what makes this new moon even more powerful is that it's forming a sextile to my natal Venus in the 10th house, in the sign of Scorpio. So we are literally talking about harmonizing who we are and with what we create in the world. I think opportunities, alignment, and bold manifestation energy is afoot. Okay. So what does this new moon bring? This new Capricorn moon is 28 degrees. This is a big moon. This Capricorn is the master of structure, long-term goals and growth. And at 28 degrees of Capricorn, we're at the final stretch of Capricorn, at the final last degree of the sign. The energy is all about manifestation, culmination, and preparation for a new cycle. So we're at the culmination. It's like what we've worked on or built up until now. It's like standing at the edge of a cliff and looking at the path that you built so far and deciding where to leap next. So if you've been feeling pressure to get serious about your goals or your life path, this is your cosmic green light. This soul concept, soul cycle concept is perfect here. It's because we're not planning for results. We're aligning with our soul's rhythm so that your efforts feel purposeful and sustainable and transformative. And I feel that. I really do. I feel that. I feel like whatever I'm working on now is building the foundation for something. Now, Capricorn and Aquarius, this is your cue to lean in because Capricorn, this new moon is in your sign. Your personal energy is being amplified. You're being called to step fully into your power and to define your boundaries and to claim your next level identity. Shed what no longer serves you and move toward the version of yourself that embodies both ambition and soul alignment. Now, Aquarius, Capricorn rules your sector of career, structure, and public essence, public presence. And actually not necessarily so. But I will say, yeah, because Capricorn would be in the 12th house for Aquarius. So give me one moment. I'm going to go ahead and fix that. Let me fix that. So Capricorn and Aquarius, this new moon speaks directly to you. Capricorn, this is first house activation to you personally. And this new moon at 28 degrees and 43 minutes of Capricorn is happening in your sign. And for many Capricorns, in your first house of identity, embodiment, and self-leadership. This is not about setting more goals. This is about deciding who you are becoming. And as you step into your soul cycle of your life. And at this late degree of Capricorn, the universe is asking you to release old identities, to shed roles that you've already outgrown, and to stop carrying responsibilities that are no longer yours. This is the moment to redefine yourself from the inside out, not based on pressure, but based on alignment. So I wanted to mention that to Capricorn, and we're going to talk a little bit later about the soul blueprint and the alignment check-in, because I think for some Capricorns, you might really want to know about those. Now, Aquarius, this new moon is activating your 12th house. And Aquarius, the new moon is happening in your 12th house, and this is deep soul territory. This is not about being seen yet. This is about preparing behind the scenes. You are in a powerful clearing phase. Unconscious patterns, energetic leaks, outdated dreams, invisible obligations. This new moon asks you to rest, retreat, release, and realign before Pluto and the upcoming Aquarius activations push you into a completely new era of self-expression. So your soul cycle right now is about ending before beginning, and that is sacred work. This is exactly where the soul cycle orientation guide fits, helping Aquarius understand what is closing, not forcing action prematurely. Just let it close naturally. It's naturally going to close without having to force it. So it seems like this is about honoring timing instead of forcing outcomes for both Capricorn and Aquarius. For Capricorn, it's conscious creation. For Aquarius, it's unconscious clearing. But it's both is about honoring the timing. Okay? So it's about understanding the cycle that we're in right now. What cycle are you in right now? Are you beginning something, building something, releasing, or integrating? Then you would probably do well to get the soul cycle orientation guide. If you feel foggy, blocked, uncertain, this new moon is showing you why and what the next aligned step actually is. And for you, the 15-minute alignment check-in would probably be best. Now, for those who are ready to map out the next chapter with precision, timing, and soul alignment, this is where we decode your full cycle. And that would be the 90-minute soul blueprint session. I highly recommend that for both Capricorn and Aquarius, because Capricorn, it's in Capricorn season now, but we're going to be moving into Aquarius season very quickly. And I feel like both of you are having your solar returns. It's perfect for the soul blueprint session or to to get the soul cycle orientation or even just an alignment check-in. So for both of you, Aquarius and Capricorn, tapping into the soul cycle tools, whether it's the 15-minute alignment check-in or the 90-minute soul blueprint session, will help you to translate this powerful energy into actionable steps that actually manifest results, because this is about you getting results right now. So I want to talk to all 12 signs, not just Capricorn and Aquarius. So here is some practical guidance for all 12 zodiac signs. Of course, every sign can use this energy, and here is a quick guide. So for Aries, break big goals into Capricorn style steps. Discipline meets action. Taurus, align inner resources for long-term stability. That's practical soul work. So inner resources for long-term stability. Gemini, clarify partnerships and collaborations that support your vision. Cancer, professional and social visibility is highlighted. Take intentional steps. Leo, release blocks and trust instincts. Your hidden strengths rise. Virgo, streamline daily routines, systemize self-care for long-term success. Libra, align creativity with financial opportunities. Your passions can support prosperity. Scorpio, transform patterns that no longer serve you. Claim personal power. Sagittarius, communicate and learn strategically. Opportunities are in plain sight. Capricorn, this is your launch moment. Declare intentions, plan, and embody your next level self. Aquarius, career breakthroughs are possible. Structure, vision, big wins. And also listen to your dreams. A lot can come through your dreams. Pisces, release limiting beliefs. Let intuition guide practical steps, your next practical steps. Okay? All right. So for all the signs, take these insights and align them with your soul. That's the core of the soul cycle approach. Now, let's tie this into something tangible, because the soul cycle framework gives you tools to plan, align, and step into your purpose without burning out. Now, number one is the free soul cycle orientation guide. And this identifies areas of your life that are ready for alignment. Second is the 15-minute alignment check-in. And this pinpoints your next step with clarity and momentum. And third, there's the 90-minute blueprint session. That's an hour and a half where we deep dive and map your year, your cycles, and manifest what matters most. So during this 28 degrees of Capricorn new moon, pick one tool that resonates and take action. Energy loves action, and the universe is ready to support your leap forward. So beautiful souls, this new moon is your invitation to get serious, to align with your higher self, and to claim your next level life. Whether you're Capricorn stepping fully into your identity, an Aquarius bridging vision with action, or any other sign ready to harmonize with your soul, this is your moment. This is the moment. So check the links below for the soul cycle orientation guide, the 15-minute alignment check-in, or the 90-minute soul blueprint session to fully step into this energy. Comment below, what area of your life are you ready to align with your soul this new moon? I read every comment, and I can't wait to hear your intentions.